find and delete oldest social media posts from Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Ever thought about what your social media accounts look like right after you signed up? And at the same time, felt the cringe of current posts from way back when? Well, many of the users have posts floating around that no longer identify with who they are today, and scrubbing them can be a liberating experience. Here, we've got a step-by-step guide through which you'll be able to find and delete your old account from social media. Here's how to find and delete oldest social media posts from Facebook. First, log into your Facebook account. Second, click on the profile picture in the top right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Click on Settings, scroll down to Account Settings, and click on Download a copy of your Facebook data. Then select the data range as all time and click Request Download. Once the data is ready, click on Download and unzip the file. Open the Posts folder and sort the files by date. Find the oldest posts and copy the post IDs. Go back to Facebook and click on the three dots next to each post. Select Delete Post to remove the post. How to find and delete oldest social media posts from Twitter. First, log into your Twitter account. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Now click on Account. Scroll down to Tweet History and click on Download Data. Select the data range as all time and click Download. Open the CSV file and sort by date. Find the oldest tweets and copy the tweet IDs. Go back to Twitter and click on the three dots next to each tweet. Select Delete to remove the tweet. How to find and delete oldest social media posts from Instagram. First, log into your Instagram account. Click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner, then select Settings from the menu. Scroll down to Account and click on Download Data. Select the data range as all time and click Download. Open the JSON file and sort by date. Find the oldest posts and copy the post IDs. Now go back to Instagram and click on the three dots next to each post. Now select Delete to remove the post.